Douglas County is nearly half black, 1/3 white, over 10% Hispanic. Since 2000, the black population has more than doubled. That transformation happened because people chose to come here, chose Douglas County schools, its proximity to Atlanta, and the belief that Georgia's civil rights protections would keep their families safe from discrimination. Senate Bill 375 takes those civil rights protections and weaponizes them against speech about a foreign government. County commissions across Georgia have a responsibility to flag state legislation that threatens their residents, and this bill does exactly that. The bill mandates that every Georgia agency enforcing discrimination law must consider the definition of Hinduphobia, but leaves that definition so vague that it covers political criticism of India's government. Antagonistic attitudes towards Hinduism becomes whatever Hindu nationalist organizations say that it means. What does that mean here? A Douglas County teacher assigns students to research religious freedom, and someone analyzes India's treatment of Christians and Muslims. A Hindu nationalist group files a Hinduphobia complaint. The school district faces investigation. A professor at Mercer's campus here publishes research on caste discrimination. Complaint filed, university investigated. The next teacher assigns a different topic. The next professor chooses safer research. That is how censorship works, not through prosecution, but through making examples. The threat is the process itself. This county knows what actual discrimination looks like, and that is why it is such an insult. The same organizations that are demanding Georgia investigate speech about India opposed California legislation protecting Dalit Americans from caste discrimination. They want protection from criticism, not protection for victims. Here is who's selling this. State Senator Shawn Still, who faces 7 felony charges for allegedly serving as a fake elector in Trump's scheme. After that indictment, the Coalition of Hindus of North America gave Still $10,800. And Still admits he developed SB375 through ongoing conversations with them. Multiple major donors to the PAC funding Still are documented OFBJP activists. The overseas Friends of the BJP registered with the US DOJ as a foreign agent for India's ruling party. Douglas County's growth happened because people trusted that civil rights law would protect them from discrimination. SB 375, however, flips that promise. It uses civil rights frameworks to silence Americans who speak about injustices committed by a foreign government. Pass a resolution opposing SB 375 and any legislation mandating consideration of foreign government narratives in civil rights enforcement. Send it to every state legislator. Tell Senator Still that Douglas County is not a laboratory for foreign-funded legislation. People chose Douglas County believing protections mattered. Prove them right. Reject SB 375. And I have for every member of the commission an information packet on this issue. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Peter Frederick.